Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. This is what's jumping in my pot today. 1 pan honey garlic chicken and vegetables. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Olive oil, Dijon honey mustard. I have in here black pepper and salt, minced garlic, oregano and basil, brown sugar, butter, honey. I have in here potatoes cubed up, green beans, and the chicken breast. The first thing we're going to do is make the glaze. Melted butter, olive oil, garlic, salt and black pepper, Dijon mustard, basil and oregano, brown sugar, and the honey. And we're going to mix all of this up. Then we're going to set this to the side. I have a sheet pan here lined with foil paper. And now we're going to move to the next step. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below.
So what are you doing here now?
I'm adding the potatoes to the baking sheet, to 1/2 of the baking sheet. And then I'm going to add some salt and black pepper too. That and olive oil.
So this is another cheap, affordable, tasty budget dish.
Yes, it is. You can make, and it's not that take that long to make.
I always liked honey mustard on different types of meat, like chicken or anything that calls a honey mustard. I'm pretty much a fan of if you could incorporate it into a dish. So this should be good.
Now I'm pouring the olive oil over the potatoes. There we go. Mix this up a little bit so the olive oil will coat the potatoes. Now we're going to add the chicken to the next half of the sheet pan.
So how long does this generally take to make?
No more than 30 minutes.
Oh, see, that's a really quick dish. It's good for a weeknight dinner after coming from work or school. You can just get this together really quick.
Now we sprinkle some seasoning over this. And the glaze. Now I've coated the chicken with the glaze. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven. I have my oven set to 385. We're going to let this cook for about 20 minutes.
So what are you adding now to the dish?
I'm adding the green beans to it.
Oh, yeah, green beans are my favorite vegetable, one of my favorites. This should be good.
Now, we're going to add the rest of the glaze to the green beans. And then we're going to put them back in the oven and let them roast for another 10 minutes. In all, that's 30 minutes.
Yeah, you gotta make sure it gets crispy and golden brown. The potatoes need to crisp up, and the chicken needs to turn more golden brown. So that should happen.
Yeah, in the next round. There you have it. 1 pan honey garlic chicken and vegetable. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.